So hey guys, today I'm back with another unboxing video with this Lunchbox. Yeah, cause probably why I want to go back to school on September 25th because I'm 12, even though and I'm 8th grade because I'm probably 1 year away. Even though So let's unbox it right now. So let's just open it like this. So basically, well, we know this is a comic book lunchbox. Probably get the plastic out of here. Oh yeah, see this? If you want to get that QR code. Probably, and that one too before I decide to move it. But however, or just take it out. Yeah. And I probably should know that I'm going to cut that off. I'm going to cut it off. Just give me a sec. Okay, now I'm done. This is yours. It's not my box either. I'm in the kitchen, so wow, Now let's get that side out the way. First, let's check on it. Oh, I just didn't mean to fall. Bad stuff. Why did it get so annoying? See this? See this, guys? Space! See that? It's the same metal fear, just like every book bag still had that. And yeah, I know. This can be almost like the shortest unboxing video of all time. Then the first one that I uploaded, the headphones one. But I'm in the kitchen, so I probably know this is no background. See this? No background. And something itchy, so probably I know. Oh, there is. Here's this. See this? This is where you can put your name, your phone number, or your house address if you forgot what your house address is. However, and just thank you guys for watching, comment, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.